Who is the speaker?
Stan Pearson is a salsa dancing, Spanish-speaking, diversity and leadership speaker. He has spoken in over 40 states in addition to Mexico and Canada. His presentations connect, entertain, and educate everyone, regardless of race, culture, or socioeconomic backgrounds. If you are looking for a speaker to have an impact on your audience and be absolutely happy, you choose him. Stan is your man.
Why you chose him?
Stan is a motivational speaker dedicated to a movement and platform that will push everyone to be better today than they were yesterday. Stan created this brand to make it easy for everyone to have fun and feel good about themselves.
How he will impact the company?
Stan is a believer in the 3 levels of organizational culture. These 3 levels impact in many ways a company. Organizational culture is defined as a pattern of basic assumptions that are considered valid and that are taught to new members as the way to perceive, think, and feel in the organization. The levels of an organization culture are artifact, value, and basic assumptions.
Artifacts is the first level of an organizational culture. They are defined as the symbols of culture in the physical and social work environments. Some examples are personal enactments, ceremonies, stories, and rituals. When the behavior reflects the organizational values, personal enactment is meant. Modeled behavior is a powerful tool for success within a company. It is stated that individuals learn by observing others' behavior and patterning their own behavior similarly. Organizational ceremonies and rites are sets of activities that are repeatedly enacted on important occasions. These send a message to the employees saying that the corporate values are to be admired. In addition, the ceremonies bond organizational employees together. An effective way to reinforce values is through the retelling of stories, the practice of rituals and symbols, given that they give meaning and identify to organizations. The second organizational level are values. They reflect a person's inherent beliefs of what should or should not be. Values are reflected in the behavior of the individuals. The way the company promotes these values affects the way workers feel and the execution of their jobs.
The third level are basic assumptions, which are deeply held beliefs that guide behavior and tell members of an organization how to perceive situations and people, which according to Edgar Train, it is the essence of culture. Violating this basic assumption is unthinkable, and they are often considered. Basic assumptions guide a firm's action and decisions to become successful. The assumptions are nature of reality, time and space, human nature, human activity, and human relationship.